Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Spendable rewards. These fantastic rewards are a great way to get more value from your everyday spending. They are typically earned through specific credit cards linked to your PayPal account or by participating in special PayPal promotions. Understanding how to effectively earn and redeem them can significantly enhance your shopping experience and help you save money. Earning your Spendable rewards is quite straightforward. The primary way is by linking an eligible credit card to your PayPal account and using it for purchases. Many cards offer 1 point per dollar spent or a percentage of cashback, which then converts into your Spendable rewards balance. Keep an eye out for special PayPal promotions too, as these can often boost your earning potential significantly. Redeeming your Spendable rewards is incredibly simple and convenient. When you're ready to make a purchase online and choose PayPal as your payment method, your available rewards balance will automatically appear as an option. You can then decide to apply all or just a portion of your rewards to reduce the total cost of your transaction. It's a seamless way to save money instantly. To truly maximize your PayPal Spendable rewards, consistency is key. Always use your linked eligible credit cards for your everyday spending to steadily accumulate points or cashback. Make sure to regularly check for new PayPal promotions and bonus offers, as these can provide excellent opportunities to earn rewards faster. Combining your rewards with other discounts can lead to even greater savings on your purchases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.